Let's go ahead and make some contact lists for the whole school. You're going to need to download and upload a few files here so that we have a comprehensive list of contacts that we all share here at RIST. So let's get started. If you go to What's Apps at RIST, the teacher training site for our apps program, go ahead and click here where you can access resources. Now make sure that you're logged in prior to clicking here. And once here, you're going to see several different sections. You can get CSV files, supporting programs, and also resource signups. Let's go ahead and focus on our RIST Gmail contacts. We're going to first download RIST faculty and staff CSV files. Now these files are standardized, already broken down into subgroups. So all we have to do is download them and then go into our email contacts and upload them. So make sure that you download them somewhere where you know to get them when you go to upload. So we go back to our email. And you can go to contacts through here, or the best kind of contacts you can go to is up here at More. Click on the More button and choose Contacts. Once here, you're going to notice that there's a couple contacts here from residual pasts. But go ahead and import. So you select Import up here in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to import our CSV file that we just downloaded. Now the beautiful thing about this is that in the future, if we have an influx of students, this file will be updated and it'll just replace the old file without causing any problems to the structure of your subgroups. So click Open, and you'll notice that down here it says a new group. Keep that new group. Okay, so your screen looks like this. Hit OK. And now we have these different subgroups of the faculty and staff at RIST. You can see it breaks it down by numbers. And now whenever you make an email or anything like that, you can use those subgroups. Now let's go on to RIST students. This is a file that's going to be updated throughout the year, so when there's a new file, there'll be an email that goes out. But remember this process: you download it and then you upload the new contact, new CSV file contacts. So you choose the file. Same process as we did for the RIST teachers. So make sure it's new group unchecked and click OK. Now you're going to see several more subgroups. Now this has all the teachers or all the students, and you can see all the teachers, of course. You'll see by grade, subgroup by grade, and subgroup by grade section for those who have more than just one class. All right, now onto the RISM contacts. Now this is imported from the RIS CSV file, and you're just going to download it like you did the other one. No difference here. And because there are a few formatting differences between the two systems, it's a little bit different on the upload. So pay close attention here. First, instead of just uploading the file, you're going to want to go ahead and create a contact group. So title it RISM. And now down below you see RISM is 0. There's nobody there right now. We're going to upload 303 contacts into that group. So now go ahead and import like you have before. Choose the correct file that you downloaded previously. And here's where it's going to be different. You click here, okay, also add these imported contacts to, and you're going to select RISM. Now just go ahead and click import. And now these items will be imported down below where it says RISM, 303 contacts. Now this will include your RIST and RISM accounts now as separate contacts. And you're going to notice that we have about 420 some contacts now. So if you click on it, you can scroll through all the different contacts. And now you'll see that these are the RIST contacts here. Now, what does this look like when you're addressing an email? It's simple. You just press 2, and now you can see all the different contacts that we have, or you have. Type in a name, Dr. Peter, and his RIST and RISM account will come up. If you type in another name, such as myself, you'll see RISM and RIST come up. Now, to mass email a group, you can select the whole class and just make sure you click all when the green buttons come up. If you want to email all the teachers, again, select all. Right. If you want to email all the high school students, select all and hit done. And you'll notice all these names will show up in the address to. And that is how you add emails from contact lists. And you can also just write them in, so it'll autofill once they're in your contacts. So you have RISM and RIST for Richard. And that is updating your contacts list.